Welcome to Consumer Flix, your trusted source for top tech reviews and smart buying tips. Helicopter. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best DJI drones of 2025, packed with incredible features, cutting-edge tech, and unmatched performance. Whether you're a pro or a hobbyist, these drones are sure to elevate your flying game. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and guides. Number 5. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a compact, lightweight drone designed for beginners and casual users seeking a fun and intuitive flying experience. Equipped with a high-definition camera, it captures clear photos and videos, perfect for everyday aerial photography and social media sharing. The drone features intelligent flight modes such as auto hover, follow me, and waypoint navigation, making it easy to operate even for first-time pilots. Number 4. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is a cutting-edge FPV drone designed for immersive and dynamic flying experiences. It features a 4K stabilized camera that captures stunning aerial footage with vibrant colors and smooth motion, even during fast maneuvers. Compact and robust, it offers enhanced obstacle avoidance, improved flight time, and reliable video transmission for seamless performance. With intuitive controls and intelligent flight modes, the Avata 2 is perfect for both adrenaline-seeking pilots and creative content creators. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a lightweight yet powerful drone designed for creators who value portability without compromising on performance. Weighing under 249 g, it's travel-friendly and compliant with many drone regulations, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go photography. Equipped with a 4K HDR camera on a 3-axis gimbal, it captures stunning, stabilized footage and vibrant photos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a flagship drone built for professional creators, combining unmatched performance with cutting-edge imaging technology. It features a triple camera system, including a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera for breathtaking clarity, a medium telephoto camera for dynamic framing, and a telephoto lens for detailed long-range shots. This setup enables unparalleled versatility, allowing creators to capture stunning 5.1K videos and high-resolution stills in a variety of scenarios. Number 1. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a versatile, dual-camera drone designed to elevate aerial photography and videography. It features a wide-angle camera and a 3x medium telephoto lens, offering creative flexibility to capture expansive landscapes and detailed close-ups. Both cameras support 4K HDR video and high-resolution stills, delivering stunning image quality and vibrant detail. With a flight time of up to 46 minutes and the O4 transmission system, the Air 3 ensures long-range connectivity and a seamless flying experience. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing enhances safety, while intelligent features like focus track, master shots, and waypoint flight empower users to create dynamic, professional-grade shots effortlessly. Compact, powerful, and packed with innovative features, the DJI Air 3 is perfect for creators seeking high performance in a portable drone. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter. Which DJI drone from our list is your top pick? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tech insights. See you in the next video.